Have you ever heard about the enigma that is Fermat's last theorem? This puzzling theorem was conceived by Pierre de Fermat, a 17th century mathematician. He posited an intriguing idea that defied simple comprehension. According to Fermat, it's impossible to express an integer as the sum of two cubes or a cube as the sum of two squares. In a broader sense, there are no non-zero integers a, b, and c that can satisfy the equation a to the power of n plus b to the power of n equals c to the power of n for any integer n greater than 2. But here's where the plot thickens. Fermat, in his characteristic mystery, scribbled a note in the margin of his book. He claimed to have a marvelous proof to this theorem, but alas, it was too large to fit in the margin. For centuries, this tantalizing note left by Fermat would bewilder and challenge the greatest minds in mathematics. For over 350 years, Fermat's last theorem remained an uncracked nut. This elusive equation, a tantalizing puzzle, drove countless mathematicians into a frenzied pursuit of its proof. Names that echo through the annals of mathematical history, each attempted to conquer this Everest of enigmas, but each was left confounded and defeated. The theorem, simple to state but seemingly impossible to prove, was like a siren's song, luring the greatest minds into its complex depths. It proved to be the ultimate paradox, a problem that appeared solvable yet persistently defied solution. The quest for its proof became a rite of passage for the ambitious and the brilliant, a test of mettle in the realm of numbers. Attempts to crack the code ranged from the innovative to the downright audacious, yet all fell short. The theorem, in its stoic silence, seemed to mock the efforts of its challengers. The theorem seemed insurmountable, remaining a tantalizing mystery for the mathematical world. However, in 1994, the mathematical world witnessed an extraordinary breakthrough. Andrew Wiles, a British mathematician, with the assistance of Richard Taylor, finally cracked the code. Wiles's journey to this monumental success was not a walk in the park. His proof of Fermat's last theorem was an intricate web, spun with advanced concepts drawn from the world of algebraic geometry and number theory. His approach was not just a mere calculation or a simple proof, but a masterpiece that connected various branches of mathematics in a way that no one before him had ever done. It was a feat of such complexity and elegance that it left the mathematical community in awe. His triumph was not just his own, but a victory for all of mathematics. Finally, after more than 3 centuries, Fermat's last theorem had been proven, bringing an end to one of the longest-standing puzzles in the history of mathematics.